What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and also tap that bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you so much, everybody, for 3K subs. It really means a lot to me. So the plan for today, we are going to try and level out the old D-Max here. I was trying to get the front to rear rake out of the picture like that, and I was measuring, and I noticed that the front sits down about 1.5 inches. We're at just under 11. Come to the rear, and we're at about 12.5. So we have about 1.5 inch front to rear rake. But then also, what's mainly driving me nuts is that side to side 13.5. And 11.5. So we have a side-to-side rake. When you're looking at the truck, hold on. When you're looking at the truck side to side, it actually leans to the driver's side, about 1/2 inch in the front and almost 1.5 inches in the rear. I did some research, and it looks like it's pretty common. People call it the Chevy Lean. So I want to correct that mainly, but the front to rear rake I also want to correct, but I really don't want to tear it all apart and install new rear lift blocks just for that. I tried cranking the torsion keys up a little bit. I don't want to absolutely max them out, but it seems like I wasn't getting really any height out of the torsion keys at all. So I figured the cheapest option, and probably the easiest, is to start with this. See if I can just throw some weight in the rear and, you know, just kind of get it to lean towards the passenger rear side more so I can correct all of that. So we're gonna head to probably Home Depot. I think they have the cheapest sand, and see if it works. So let's get to it. Quick pit stop at Quick Trip. All my Midwest folks know what it is. Hey, everybody in the comments, what are your fuel prices? We got $3.09 for diesel here, $2.49 for 87. It's outrageous, man. Let me throw you back in here. I'll be right back. Okay, so some of you are probably gonna wonder, the lift in my truck, which is a 15 GMC 1-ton, the lift is a Cognito 7 and 9 inch adjustable. It's an NTBD lift, which means no torsion bar drop. GM products have torsion keys, torsion bars. If you're watching this, I'm sure you probably know that. But like I said, I couldn't get the amount of height that I wanted out of it to get it to sit perfectly level, so that's why I'm resorting to this option. Hopefully it works. Otherwise, you know, I'm not screwed or anything. I could just go get a different set of rear blocks, maybe a shorter set, and that would take care of that. Some guys like the rake look. I have had it for a while now. I just want that level look, and yeah, there's 37s on it right now. I'll probably end up going back down to 35s just because I like how the 35s ride better. Until at least I get new wheels. I want to get some 22s or 24s soon here, and at that point maybe I'll get 37s or stick with 35s. I don't know yet. I want to see if I can get this thing sitting level first before I start thinking about other stuff. That's really gonna, it's really gonna make a difference. I have a little bit of rub on these 37 13.5s. Not anything bad. It's only when it's like full cranked in reverse. Other than that, I haven't had any issues. The lift ride's great. Like I said, the only thing is just that little bit of rake. And after I noticed it, the side to side not sitting level thing, the Chevy Lean, that drives me insane. So I really need to fix that. All right, we just left Home Depot. We got a bunch of sand. What is that, like 600 pounds? Gonna do a quick measurement and then we're going to see if this worked. Okay, we're back again. So I went back in the store and bought another 8 sandbags, making it 20 total, 1,000 pounds of sand. And I think it's actually gonna work. We haven't got the rest of them loaded up yet, but we have the 12 in there and it corrected the side to side for sure. Now I'm just seeing if I can get any more of that front to back out of there so it just sits perfectly level. But so far so good. I'll tune back in when we got the sand done. So we just got all the sand arranged in the back of the truck. Let me show you what it looks like. We have it all on the passenger side. That's where most of the height was coming from. 1,000 pounds of quick replay sand. Let's take these final measurements. We're at just about a foot, just under a foot in the rear, and about 11.5 in the front. It's pretty consistent throughout. Oh, it's perfect in the rear. So the truck is sitting perfectly level front to back and perfectly level side to side. So it's safe to say I just successfully leveled my truck with play sand, 1,000 pounds of quick replay sand. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button if you found any value in this video. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Gonna be posting a lot more videos soon here. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.